will be able to help you. So I want to encourage you this afternoon that you should do good. God will help us in Jesus' name. Number one person, because of time, they are the wicked people. The wicked people, they are everywhere. No matter where you find yourself, there are people that are wicked for no just cause. They will just hate you. They will not just like you, and they will be machinating evil against you no matter what. They are in different category of places, steps, either in working place, either among the family member, in the school like this, even among the children. We have them that they are wicked. But how will you be able to overcome their devices? It's true when you do good. That's number one. I won't have time to expatiate on them, but just know that by your side, by your right, by your front, in everywhere, you have the wicked people. Only good you are doing, you'll be able to